this is Cindy with Bachelor Party Miami. I just wanted to take a moment to show you the inside of the recess boat. So you're gonna have two toilets, two heads inside of this 41-foot Sea Ray. Awesome seating, air conditioning, a bow for sunbathing at the top. Perfect, a lot of space.